Yo, it's Ruby Williams, aka Ruby Red from Fresno, Cali. Shout out to DJ Drama, LeBron James. I got a hot 16 for you. I'm about to jump right in. Yo, I wonder why I can sleep no more. Wonder why I can breathe no more. I can view the world even when I got my eyes closed. If you saw the same thing, you swear the sun was a diamond. Its crest was a horizon, and yes, the clouds are gold. Glowing through my soul. Now let the truth be told. They try to shove it behind the fold, so I write my words in bold. Life is sweet and sour. I devour it, I desire. Break in and bust in. I'm leaving pits along the road. I live in a maze, don't lord to me. None of you Joes are more than me. It's just the truth and it's plain to see, so you can write that in history. I'm precious. Why you think they call me Ruby? All these haters obligated to find the truth. They think they know me. See, I lost my mama in '94 when she was shot down. I was left alone, my crest is stone. But DJ Drama said it best. I ain't never scared. I'm running till I'm dead. I'm pumping no fear. The world's throwing sugar down me. The aim is right here. And if the world shines, I'ma grab a train. Is your blood red? And can you feel my veins? 20 years later.